Man dies. His family wants to bury him in the village where he lived his whole life, but the village says no. The courts step in, and even India's Supreme Court is divided. Was this justice, or was this discrimination? Today we're breaking down the legal battle behind this controversial Supreme Court ruling. This is the case of Subhash Baghel, a Christian pastor from Chindawada, Chhattisgarh. His family wanted to bury him in their ancestral village, but the local villagers objected, arguing that there was no separate Christian burial ground. The High Court sided with the villagers and directed the family to use a Christian cemetery 20 kilometers away. Frustrated, the family took the case to India's highest court, the Supreme Court, and this is where things got complicated. Two judges, two very different views. Justice Nagaratna strongly backed the family's right to bury the pastor in their village. She said this was about religious freedom and dignity in death. But Justice Sharma worried about potential communal unrest and ruled in favor of keeping the burial elsewhere. The result? A split verdict, which meant the family had to accept the High Court's decision. 1. Right to religious freedom, Article 25 and 26. Can a village stop a burial just because a person belongs to a different religion? The Indian Constitution guarantees religious freedom, but does that extend to burial rights? 2. Right to equality, Article 14 and 15. If people of other religions can be buried there, why not Christians? Is this discrimination? 3. Right to dignity in death, Article 21. The Supreme Court has ruled before that dignity doesn't end with life. So why wasn't that upheld here? 4. Public order versus individual rights. The villagers and Justice Sharma argued that allowing the burial could lead to unrest, but does maintaining public order justify restricting fundamental rights? This case is huge because it sets a precedent. What happens the next time a religious minority faces a similar issue? Will their fundamental rights depend on how much resistance their neighbors put up? What's next? Review petition? Can the family challenge this verdict? Yes, but it's an uphill battle. Legal reforms? India still lacks clear burial laws that protect religious minorities.